Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we are going to be taking a look at the Ocho Cortado, famous figure, but putting all the work in the embrace, how the embrace works during this step.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you are enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Enough talking, let's get to work. All right, here in the dance floor, we're going to show you the first step that we're going to be using, which is the Ocho Cortado. Pam, pa, pam, 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 pa, pam, 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 param, pam, pam. That is basically the Ocho Cortado in close embrace.
We are keeping the close embrace, if you notice, and we are going to show you how to go from open embrace to close embrace. Let's rotate so they can see. One more time, we'll show you close embrace, Ocho Cortado. See how it looks. Side step, back, rock step, front, rock step to cross, resolution, all in close embrace. We didn't open.
So now we're going to show you something. Did you notice that my bicep, one thing before we continue. My bicep basically is under, I'm touching her lat basically. This is the connection that I try to have every time that I'm in a very close embrace. Pa-pam, pam, pam. Did you notice that if I stop here, you can see this position, I remain always there. Even when we cross, at all time, we keep that position for close embrace. So if we get to open the embrace, we always have to come back to this close position that we shall show you in Ocho Cortado. Let us show you what we mean. One, let's open up here in the rebound. Tack. We use this technique a lot. We kind of slide. We don't really get apart, but we let the shoulder get out. One thing that can happen here is that if we don't close embrace, it'll look totally disconnected. So here's the point. Look, I will pull, tack, bicep again, and cruzada. We'll do it again, one more time. One, and this is the moment. Pull and re-embrace. Tack, tack, tack.
So for followers, when I open the position, I slide the shoulder down. Walking to the side rock step, I keep the position here. But when I'm rocking on the side with my left, I take this moment to re-embrace, go with the hips for the rock step, and go to the cross, keeping this close position. And from here, go to resolution in close embrace still. So I'm opening the shoulder just a little bit. If he does longer step back for me on rock step, then I need to bring the shoulder in order to avoid this. This is wrong. Don't do this. If he send you again, let's go side step to the rock step. So we go side and two. If he send you with more energy, if I keep this, I will look like this. So when he send you, try to go back with the shoulder. We are not opening the embrace or the distance from the chest, but I'm sliding the shoulder to go front, and I'm taking this side step to re-embrace and go to the cruzada and resolution with the same position.
Why we say this? Because it's very, very, very common. It happens a lot. I experience this a lot. Sometimes I try to close embrace and I cannot do it due to the position. Let me go directly to the rebound. Pa, pam, pam. Let's say here. I will try to get my close embrace, but sometimes she doesn't. So she blocked me here. This is not a good thing. And I feel that I can't close. So the step ends up being like this. Can see that there is no connection. It doesn't have a style at all.
It doesn't look like Argentine Tango at all.
Exactly. So we are trying to avoid that position. Open and walking almost like
always for followers, always try to avoid having your hand on top of his arm or shoulder. Try to avoid this. It's better to have, if you open the embrace, to have your hand behind the back part, never on top, or never in front. This is really bad position. And it's bad message. You're telling, with your body language, telling don't get close. And for tango, we need to get close and we need to embrace. Mm-hmm. So it's much easier if this is an embrace. I will embrace from here. If I open embrace, Keep my hand here in this position, easy to go back to the close embrace. So these are the tips. Enjoy and see you on the next one.